हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माइलस्टोन टॉक्स। आज हम फिर एक नई कहानी के साथ आए हैं। वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले बेल आइकन पे जाके उसे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तो आज की कहानी का नाम है थिंकिंग आउटसाइड ऑफ द बॉक्स। किसी भी नॉर्मल तरीके से बाहर सोचने की कोशिश करें। थिंकिंग आउटसाइड द बॉक्स इज मोर देन जस्ट अ बिजनेस क्लीशे. It means approaching problems in new, innovative ways, conceptualizing problems differently, and understanding your position in relation to any particular situation in a way you'd never thought of before. Although this line may be a bit overused, but people who think outside of the box are often labeled as innovators, a desirable quality in the life of business. It is easy and safe to go with the flow, but leaders bend trends rather than follow them. तो ये कहानी शुरू होती है इटली के छोटे से एक गांव में, जहाँ 100 साल पहले there lived a small business owner who owned a large sum of money from a loan shark. This loan shark was very old, unattractive looking, and was very deceitful. And this guy just so happened to fancy the business owner's daughter. उसने व्यवसायी को एक ऐसा सौदा पेश करने का फैसला किया जो उस पर बकाया कर्ज को पूरी तरीके से मिटा देगा। हालांकि इसमें पकड़ यह थी कि वो कर्ज तभी मिटाएगा जब वो व्यवसायी की बेटी से शादी कर सकता होगा। Needless to say, this proposal was met with a look of disgust. The loan shark said that he would place 2 pebbles in a bag, one with white and one that was black. बेटी को तब बैग में पहुंचना होगा और उनमें से एक पत्थर निकालना होगा। अगर पत्थर काला होता है तो कर्ज मिट जाता है, लेकिन कर्जदार को अपनी बेटी की शादी उससे करवानी होगी। पर अगर पत्थर सफ़ेद होता है तो कर्ज भी माफ़ कर दिया जाएगा और बेटी को कर्जदार से शादी भी नहीं करनी पड़ेगी। Standing on a pebble-strewn path in the businessman's garden, the loan shark bent over and picked up 2 pebbles. Whilst he was picking them up, the daughter noticed that he had picked up 2 pebbles and placed them both in the bag. Both those pebbles were black. He then asked the daughter to reach into the bag and pick up one of the pebbles. The daughter naturally had 3 choices as to what she could do. Number 1 was to refuse to pick up any pebble from the bag. Number 2 was to take out both the pebbles out of the bag and expose the loan shark for cheating. And number 3 was pick a pebble from the bag fully well knowing that it was black and sacrifice herself for her father's freedom. But the daughter chose to think outside the box. उसने बैग से एक पत्थर निकाला और उसे बिना देखे जल्दी से नीचे गिरा दिया और गलती समझ के उसको उठाने दोबारा चली गई. And she said, "Oh, how clumsy of me. Never mind, if you look into the bag for the one that is left, you will be able to tell which pebble I picked." The pebble left in the other bag was obviously black too, and seeing as the loan shark didn't want to be exposed, he had to play along as if the pebble the daughter had dropped was white and clear her father's debt. इस तरीके से बेटी ने अपनी चालाकी से अपने पापा का कर्ज भी मिटा दिया और उसे कर्जदार से शादी भी नहीं करनी पड़ी. So coming to a conclusion, let's say, why is it so hard to think outside the box? We've all been in that meeting where the team was encouraged to think outside the box. The problem is that we are creatures of habit and most of us prefer the comfort of familiar routines. Thinking outside the box can mean challenging long-held beliefs. It's about answering these are our best practices, not with a nod but with a raised eyebrow. Companies often avoid risks that could have negative effects on their profits, even when there are plenty of success stories to illustrate that some risks not only pay off, they pay off really well. Steve Jobs is an example who was fired by the board of directors of the company he founded. But later, after Apple bought the next operating system his team created, Jobs went on to become the CEO of Apple and stocks rose to 9,000% under his leadership. Despite the chance for failure and rejection, risks are essential for growth on a personal and business level. And yet, although we are often told we should think outside the box, we are rarely told how to do so. तो हम आपको बताते हैं कि आप आउटसाइड द बॉक्स कैसे सोच सकते हैं और ये 5 तरीके आपको इसमें आपकी मदद कर सकते हैं। तो तरीका सबसे पहला जो है वो है आप एक बच्चे से पूछिए और आस्क अ चाइल्ड व्हाट दे वुड डू। विद देयर विविड इमेजिनेशन किड्स आर नेचुरल इनोवेटर्स। Number 2, simplify it. If you think your problem is too complex for a child or for you to understand, take some time to figure out how to explain or understand it simply. Number 3, ask yourself what you would have done differently if you were to start from scratch. Routine is the enemy of innovation, but so is precedent. Sometimes we struggle to shift away from the way we've always done things. Number 4, flex your brain muscles. Psychology today suggests a few surprising exercises that can get your brain unstuck when you're trying to think outside the box. These can be like to draw pictures, write freely, etc. Number 5, take a class. Learning something new can help you look at things in a different way than to what you already know. Thinking outside the box is about dispensing away with constraints and is a sought after skill, particularly in marketing, technology, and design. With that said, however, it is a great quality to be applied in any environment or to a problem solving scenario, as it encourages creative thinking, imagination, and coming up with new concepts and ideas, which is very much needed in an innovative world. तो ये थी आज की कहानी जो हमें अलग या हट कर सोचने के बारे में सिखाती है। आशा करते हैं कि आपको आज की कहानी पसंद आई। कमेंट सेक्शन में जाके बताइए व्हाट यू लाइक्ड अबाउट टुडे स्टोरी और आप अगली बार क्या सुनना चाहते हैं। वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और हाँ, डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर। मिलते हैं अगली बार फिर एक नई कहानी।